Really? You really think I'm the one who needs help? Me, really, me, like I need it. I'll show you. I know we're not together anymore, but you'll see. I will make you see. Once I'm done getting help, you will know that you're the problem, not me. The audacity to say that it's me who needs it. I can't wait to see the look on your face when I tell you it's not me. And now it's certified that it's not me that's the problem by a professional. I'll look in your face and I'll say, you thought it was me? And then I'll laugh a little bit, just a little bit, because I don't want to rub it in, you know? Do you remember all those arguments we had? Those nights you made me cry myself to sleep at night? And so I just, didn't bother coming home anymore. All those sweet memories we had of the meals we shared together. There's only a bitter taste now. How could you say that it was me? I don't need it. I don't. I'm free now. I have everything I need.